Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the problem reverse a string. So the program is they give a string S. So our task is to reverse the string. So for example, the string is geeks. So the output should be reverse of the given string. So SKEEG. So in this way the remaining also it works. So note S can contain alphabetical or alphabetic characters, both uppercase and lowercase. So we need to maintain the case also. So if you see, they didn't mention any note. So not to use any inbuilt methods or any such kind of note. So we are free to use any inbuilt methods so easily. So in that way, we will be solving our program in big of one complexity approx time. So it is also much easier. So how to solve it? So approach is so the approach. So we use string builder methods, more specifically inbuilt methods. So we use some basic methods like string builder dot reverse method and toString method in the string builder class. So that's it, a small one. We will see how we using this simple approach to solve this program in a programming time. So now we said we should note that the output should be string. So to be the most simple program of our logic, I am going in a elaborative way to make use of easy understanding, but we can also write this program in a single line. So we said we will use a string builder. So string builder type, and let us say it is the name is equals to new string builder of what is the original string? It is S. So sorry, we should not use any duplicate names in the programming. So str, let us say. So now the same copy of the given S string is now stored in the string builder. So now what? So now we need to reverse. So str equals to str dot reverse. So the reversed string of given string is stored in the same str variable. So we should return the str, but note that str is string builder type and our return type should be string. So simply toString. So we can see the sample and hidden texts are passed. So one thing to remember that string builder. So the most common question, what is the difference between string and string builder? So string and string builder both are almost the same, like there are the list of or sequence of characters stored sequential and in same variable called a string or a string builder variable. So the main difference is string, the most basic one, is immutable. So what does it mean? So in memory, when we want to update the value or add some value to existing string variable, then new is created, and that is reference to the variable. So this is a difference. So string is immutable. So if we, let us say our string is a, and now we need to add another a, so the string output should be aa. So when you add just using a simple plus operator concatenation, so in the background the old a is eliminated and the value is copied to a new variable, and to that value the new a is added, and then that new variable is referenced to the same variable. So this whole practice, whole background is happened in the memory part. So what is it? It is cost effective, not cost expensive. That means new memory is created, new memory is referenced again, old memory is deleted. So there is a lot of process. So that is why we call them are immutable. So once they are created and initialized, then they are never gonna be updated, or any, we cannot make any changes. But when it comes to string builder, it is mutable. So we can update or change the value to the variable, to the same variable, any number of times without needing any new memory. So this is very cost effective and time sensitive. So because creating new memory, let us say if the string is a huge value, so let's suppose some text documents, so copying that whole value to the new value and making those all costly operations takes a lot of time in the real time. So string builders are very efficient in those way. So this is why we use a string builder in a best way. But if you need any static just to store a list sequence of characters, then simply go with the string. So this is the difference between string and string builder. String is immutable. Remember these 2 points. String is immutable and string builder is immutable. So this is the difference. So expected are big of n and big of 1, and our code are almost like big of 1, time complexity and also space both are equal to big of 1. So it is more optimized than the given expected complexities. So we also executed the hidden test cases, so they are already passed. So once more I will show you. So that's it. So this is how simply with using a 3 lines we can solve this program, the reverse string. Note that we use the inbuilt methods because they didn't mention any note to not use the inbuilt methods. So that's it. If you use a manual way without any inbuilt methods, so it is obviously going to take approx big of n. So that is what they were expecting. So but we are a little bit more optimized. That's it. So practice this program. Thank you for watching.